Question number 2. Express the mixed recurring decimal 1.27 bar over it in the form of P by Q. So P by Q is a rational number and Q cannot be 0. So we have to represent in the form of a rational number. Okay, we have to represent this recurring decimal 1.27 bar over it in the form of a rational number P by Q. Okay, now I am going to tell you a very simple technique to solve this problem. So very first step is we have to assume this decimal 1.27 bar over it is equal to x. So you can write let x is equal to 1.27 bar over it. Okay, or you can write this as 1.27. This bar means this number is going to repeat again and again. Okay, so I can write it infinite times like that. Okay, and then you can write only 3 dots. These 3 dots shows the continuity. Okay, you have to multiply this equation. Okay, let me assign the name to this equation. Let's say this is your equation number 1. You have to multiply this equation by 100. Why we are multiplying by only 100? Because only 2 numbers are repeating. Only 2 digits are getting repeated. That's why we are multiplying by 100 only. Let's say only 1 digit is getting repeated. Then you have to multiply by 10 on both the side. Let's say if your 3 digits are getting repeated, then you have to multiply by 1000. Okay, please remember these points. So let me write down multiply equation 1 by 100 on both sides. Okay, now once you multiply, so you can see this x will become 100 times x. Okay, and now multiply 100 times 1.27 bar over it. Okay, like this. And if you multiply by 100, so definitely this decimal will shift in the right hand side by 2 digit. Okay, so this will become 127.27 bar over it like this. Okay, now this will be your equation number 2. And in the next step, in the third step, you have to subtract equation number 1 from equation number 2. So let me write down subtract so once you subtract, you can see you have to subtract this x from 100x. So let me write down 100x minus x is equal to, you have to subtract 1.27 bar over it from this one. Okay, so let me write down 127.27 bar over it minus, you can write down 1.27 bar over it. Okay, so now you can see after the decimal everything is going to be eliminated, because after the decimal your numbers are same. Okay, so this will be removed, this decimal will be eliminated. Understood? You are left with only 127 over here, and here you will left only 1. Okay, so here you can write 99x is equal to 127 minus 1. Now in the next step you can write 99x is equal to 126. Now to get the value of x, you have to simply transport 126 over 99. Okay, like this. So definitely these numbers will go by 3. Okay, so you can cancel. This will be 33 and this will be 42 like that. So further you can solve. Okay, so definitely this number will go 11 time. Okay, and this will go 1 and then 4. Yeah, so 14 over 11 is going to be your correct answer. You can see you are getting 14 over 11 in the form of P by Q. So you can match it. Option B is the correct answer for this problem.